In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create box sets on KDP, a KDP tutorial for beginners. If you've been thinking about compiling multiple works into a single professional package, this guide will walk you through it step by step, ensuring you make the most of Kindle Direct Publishing's features. To start off, you'll need to combine your multiple manuscripts into one file. This essentially means taking all your separate book files and merging them into a single document. You can use tools like Microsoft Word or Google Docs for this process. Be sure to carefully copy and paste the content from each manuscript into one cohesive file. It's important to maintain consistent formatting throughout. And don't forget to include a table of contents at the beginning to allow easy navigation for your readers. Take your time to proofread and ensure there are no unintended errors or discrepancies between sections. Next, after you're satisfied with the merged manuscript, it's time to create a unified cover. Designing a cover for a box set can be slightly more complex than a single book cover, because it should reflect the theme and essence of the entire collection. You've got several options here. You can use a graphic design software like Canva or Adobe Spark, or, if it's in your budget, hire a professional designer. Your cover should be visually appealing and should also clearly convey which books are included in the set. Remember, the cover is often the first impression your book makes, so it's worth investing the time to get it just right. Once you have your manuscript and cover ready, you'll upload them as a new title on Kindle Direct Publishing. If you don't already have an account, creating one is straightforward and necessary to get started. Navigate to the KDP website and log in. Click on the Create a New Title button. You'll be prompted to fill in all the details about your book, including the title and author name, and this is where you upload your completed manuscript and cover files. Make sure file formats are correct, typically a.doc or .docx for the manuscript and a .jpg or .png for the cover. Finally, you'll need to set the pricing and publish. KDP gives you various options for pricing, including promotional pricing, so consider doing some market research on similar box sets to price yours competitively. Decide on your royalty rate, which will impact your earnings, and don't overlook global distribution options to maximize your potential readership. Double-check everything, and when you're confident that all is set, hit the Publish button. Your box set will go through a review process before it's live for purchase. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to having a beautiful, ready-to-sell box set on KDP. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the rest of our channel for more helpful tutorials just